And today I'm going to be showing you a demo on how to use Wisdome events. Okay, so let's go to the events option from your dashboard. Right, click add event. Okay, and then I'm going to add my description. We're going to add the event date. That's the start and end date. Okay. As well as the start and end time. And in this section, we're going to need a cover image, or you could also add a video, a promotional video or an audio. This demo, we're going to be using a cover image. There you go. And this section right here, this is an area where you could add an additional resources. Perhaps you have a checklist for your participants or any additional information you'd like to share with them before the event. So you can just upload it here. Then we're going to add our live stream URL. For this one, we're going to be using a Zoom link. Okay, let's check this area that says accepting participants. Now, if you are running a paid event, you can then just turn on this button, accept individual payments, and then enter your amounts. Okay, for this demo, we're doing a free event, so we're going to turn this off. You also turn on this button right here for the event to appear on your sales page. We can do that. Okay, membership access level. So if you want your existing members to have access to this event, or you want just a particular group to know about the event, you can turn on the buttons here. If you select all, that means everyone who is already a member of your hub will be able to see the event and they will be able to register, or you could just activate it for a specific group by turning on this radio button. Okay, in this case, we're going to turn it or select all. Okay, save event for repeats. You can turn this on if this event will be a recurring event, or this is going to be happening in the future. Okay, we're just doing a one-time event, so we'll just leave that off, and we're ready to create event. So we're going to click this button here. Great, it says event created successfully. Okay, just do a quick review. Okay, so this is your title, the date and time, the event link. And if you also want to share something with your participants, this is a message that they will be able to see once they register or after successful registration to your event. So let's leave a note here. Okay. Very good. Okay, so we have successfully added our note here. Now, I would like to show you how an existing member can actually sign up for the event. Okay, so this is my members account. I can simply, so the easiest way to sign up for the event is to simply click here as a member, go to events, and there. Here's the new event. If we want to view the details, so we can click here. Okay, now we need to click register. Okay, and we do have an option to add this event to calendar. Okay, and we can actually do that as well. Now, you're probably wondering, how can a non-member sign up for the event, right? Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to grab or copy our checkout URL, and we just go back to your admin account, then go back to the event. You can easily click here on the event title and then select share and just copy the checkout URL. And we're just going to fill out the information here. Okay. And as you can see, this is a free event. So this is 0, and we just click subscribe. Okay. After that, once we click on OK, just go to events. And you can see the event is here. Okay, these are the details. And once again, of course, you can add it to your calendar. Okay, and in order to share the link of your replay or the event recording, just go to this icon. So this is just select the event name and then click this edit icon. Right. And then this section here, instead of it being the live stream URL, you can now add the link to where you're actually hosting the recording of your event. This could be, say, a YouTube link, maybe a private video on YouTube. This can be a Google Drive link. Just to show you, let me add a YouTube video link right here. So let's say this is the link of our recording, and then we just click update event, right? And if we go back to the event as a member this time, right? I'm gonna click on the event name. I can actually click on the event link, and it will take you to the recording of your event. Okay, so that's it for our demonstration for today. Thank you very much for your time, and we'll see you again on our next video.